Good afternoon, honorable judges and my Dhamma friends. Thank you so much, and it's my great privilege to be here to give my ideas how to spread the peace and how to live our life in a way to living the life of Buddhist way, how we can live our life in the Buddhistic way. So let's forget about what the Buddha said. Just see, look at the day-to-day life, what is happening in our day-to-day life. If you see in our day-to-day life in the world, because of the technology, all the time we are spending in our life, we are always busy with our technology. We don't have time to listen to the Dhamma. We know the Dhamma, we are practicing, we are studying in a Buddhist university, but we don't know how to practice the Dhamma. That is why Buddha said in the first place, Suneta Dhareta Chareta Dhamma. First listen, keep it in mind, then use it in your life. That is why Buddha first said, but all of us, we know the Dhamma. You know Dhamma, I know Dhamma. All the venerables, they know Dhamma. But the thing is, can we use it in our daily life? We cannot. Because why? Our mind is full of anger, hatred, delusion. We are thinking something all the time. We are sitting here. All the respectable people are sitting here, but our mind is not here. We are thinking something different out of this room. Why? Because our mind is not in a peaceful state. We cannot control our mind. Though our body is here, but our mind is somewhere else. That is why the Buddha said, why? What the Buddha said? Mind is the far runner. Mind is the far runner. It runs faster than anything else in the world. So, what happened? Everything we do, there are many ways. If you look at the Buddhism, you say Buddha used many ways to how to have peace in our life. But there are other ways to have peace in our life. If you, nowadays in the modern society, if you go and teach them, this is the way to become, how to make your mind peaceful. And do the meditation, not do this, not like that. Our society doesn't want to listen to Dhamma. If you want to teach the Dhamma to our modern society, you have to twist the meditation, twist the Dhamma. You have to give them, okay, this is how you can be happy. Don't talk about the peace. Peace is another thing. First, open the door. How to achieve the peace? You have to know which door you should take. Like the modern kids in our society, they like Facebook, moving, party and all those things. They don't want to listen to Dhamma. Make them listen to Dhamma. How? You have to give them what is the solid thing. How to be happy, how to smile. Don't talk to them peace, because they don't want to learn peace. Let them smile, because 2 days in our life, very hard to smile. If you have money, you cannot smile. If you have all the rich things, wealth, all the things you cannot smile. Because why? You don't have the peace in mind. You are restless. You don't know what you are thinking. Everything that you do, it is to be happy. But to be happy, you need a happy mind. It is not easy to achieve a good mind. So there are many ways. Buddha said, if you want to be happy, live your life in the positive way. That is why he said that 4 Brahma Vihara. What are the 4 Brahma Viharas? Metta, Karuna, Mudita, and Upekkha. These are the 4 Brahma Viharas. What is the meaning of Brahma Viharas? It is the Brahma Vihara who live a life according to the Brahmin. So, according to the Brahma, it is the blissful state of life. There is no fault. If a country, Buddhist or whoever it is, belongs to what religion he or she is, if that person live with their 4 Brahma Viharas, Metta, Karuna, Mudita and Upekkha, that person will know how to be happy and how to spread the peace for others. You don't have to do meditation all the time. If you have the time, try to read Dhamma, because there are many ways. Even the Dhamma, reading, listening can bring your mind into the peaceful state. If you don't have that much time, just go outside, help the needy people, help your mom, help your relatives, and listen to them. Try to be with them. Make your time in the rightful way. Don't waste your time, because time is very important. If you understand the time, then you will understand yourself. Buddha said, don't go to find the peace within others. Find the peace within yourself. If you know yourself, you know everything. When you are happy, you can spread the peace. You can make others happy. So first of all, make yourself happy first. Don't worry about the others. What is tomorrow? Do today something good. If you do that today, you are good and do good, then future will be good. Tomorrow will be the better. So this is how. Use the Dhamma, live your life in the right way, and don't forget, you are a Buddhist monk and you are a Buddhist follower. So try to be different from the others. Don't keep your mind with the hatred, delusion and the anger. If you can be free from all those things, then you see you are the better person. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.